Magnetic motive force.
What is a magneto-motive force? Consider a simple magnetic circuit having a ring-shaped magnetic core and a coil of N turns that extends around it. We see that when current I flows through the coil, magnetic flux is generated. Since the permeability of iron is much higher than that of air, so a major portion of flux remains inside the core instead of traveling through the surrounding air. The small portion of flux which does not travel through the iron core but travels through the air path is called leakage flux. It's practically negligible and can be ignored. Let r be the radius of the path and h the magnetic intensity of the path. Now, applying the Ampere's circuital law to the circular path of radius r, we have, or, as the circuit is of length 2 pi r, thus the field strength H inside the toroid is we know that B and H are related as, therefore the flux density B in the core will be, assuming that the cross-sectional area is a meter square, we know that the total flux phi produced will be, substituting the value of B in the equation, we get, in this expression, the term Ni represents the magnetomotive force and is responsible for producing magnetization in the magnetic circuit. And its unit is Ampere-Turns. Just as in an electrical circuit, EMF drives a current of electrical charge, similarly, magnetomotive force drives the magnetic flux through the magnetic circuit. Thus, we can say that magnetomotive force drives or tends to drive the flux through a magnetic circuit and corresponds to an electromotive force in an electrical circuit. It is equal to the work done in joules in carrying a unit magnetic pole once through the entire magnetic circuit. Mathematically, the magnetomotive force around a closed loop is expressed as, where H represents the magnetic intensity of the closed path. From this expression, we can also say that magnetomotive force represents the potential which a hypothetical magnetic charge would gain by completing the loop. Note that the term magnetomotive force, though, is a misnomer since it is not a force nor is anything moving. It is perhaps better to call it simply MMF. Related terms are